Hi, friends. It's a rainy day outside, but don't worry. We've got lots of fun indoor games and activities to keep us happy and busy. Are you ready to play? Let's go. First up, let's make an obstacle course. All you need are pillows, chairs, and blankets. Obstacle courses are great for keeping active and having fun indoors. You can create your own and race your family. Next, let's make a rain stick. This fun craft will let us bring the sound of rain indoors. Rain sticks are so easy to make and sound just like a gentle rainstorm. Try shaking it. Doesn't it sound amazing? Now, it's time for an indoor camping adventure. Grab some blankets and pillows to make a tent and bring your favorite stuffed friends. Camping indoors is so much fun, especially when it's raining outside. What would you bring on your camping trip? It's time for a rainy day dance party. Put on your favorite music and show off your best moves. Dancing is a great way to have fun and stay active, even on a rainy day. What's your favorite dance move? Let's end our rainy day with a cozy story time and yummy snacks. Emma and Max are reading their favorite book while munching on cookies. Doesn't this look fun? Rainy days are perfect for slowing down, enjoying a good story, and sharing snacks with family. Rainy days can be so much fun. We hope you enjoyed all our games and activities. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, friends. See you next time. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun adventures.